If you or a family member has been injured in a car wreck or hurt at work here in Georgia, please do not hire an attorney until you listen to this important message. Hi, I'm attorney Gary Martin Hayes. Let me give you some very important things to ask and consider before you hire an attorney. 1, is the attorney that you see in the ads on TV or hear on the radio even licensed to practice law here in Georgia? Believe it or not, some of the attorneys that you see or hear do not have a license to practice law in Georgia. Of course, they don't say that in the ad. You have to read the fine print at the bottom to discover this fact. So they will tell you they are working for the citizens of Georgia, but they aren't even licensed to practice law here, and some don't even live here. 2, will you actually get to meet with the attorney in the ad or named in the law firm? If you've been injured in a wreck or hurt at work, the effects of this incident can be devastating. And I know you have a lot of questions. Who will pay for your medical bills? What about your lost wages? Or you're having problems getting your car repaired? And what happens if you don't have health insurance? Or even if you do have health insurance, what about the high deductibles and copays? Do you have money to pay for those costs? You should be able to meet with the attorney that is making you all these promises. 3, have they been recognized as an expert by other lawyers? I was selected as super lawyer, an honor voted on by other lawyers, and I've been recognized in Atlanta Magazine for several years. 4, does this lawyer train other lawyers? I've been teaching other lawyers how my law firm handles personal injury and workers' compensation cases for over 15 years. I've written 2 #1 best-selling books, The Authority on Personal Injury Claims in Georgia and The Authority on Workers' Compensation Claims in Georgia. And by the way, I used to represent insurance companies. I worked for a law firm that defended the people out there causing these wrecks and their insurance companies. Now, I only work for injured victims and their families. Bottom line, you have way too much on the line, way too much to risk to hire an attorney that you will never meet, an attorney that isn't licensed to practice law here in Georgia, or an attorney that doesn't even live here. When you hire me, when you hire my law firm, you get the Meet with Gary guarantee. You are hiring the law offices of Gary Martin Hayes and Associates to represent you, and you have every right to meet with me about your case. I promise to meet with you at my office to discuss the facts of your case, to tell you your rights and the insurance company's responsibilities, and to lay out a course we should take for your claim. Now, will any of these other law firms give you that kind of guarantee? The law firms you see on TV or hear on the radio? Will you get to meet the attorney whose name appears in the ad or whose name is mentioned on the radio? And if they won't give you that guarantee, ask them why not. This case is so important to you, and it should be important enough for that lawyer to meet with you. You have one shot at justice, one chance to make sure you are protected and you get all the cash and benefits that you deserve. Do you want to risk everything with an out-of-state attorney or one you will never even meet? Now, to find out more about me, to find out more about my law firm, please visit GaryMartinHayes.com. And if you'd like to speak with me about your claim, just give us a call, 770-934-8000. The consultation is free and completely confidential. There is no obligation. One final thing, when you hire me, you don't pay me a retainer. I don't charge any upfront fee, nor do I send you a bill for every phone call, letter, email, or court appearance I make. We give you our zero-fee guarantee. It's simple. We don't get paid unless we get money for you. So call me now, 770-934-8000. You have nothing to lose by calling me, but think of all you can lose if you don't.